Hello guys, this is Naren here from storyheroes.com and I welcome you to the tutorial series on how to get started with blogging. In this video, you are going to learn the various platforms of free blogging. I will be demonstrating you how to create a free blog and what are the use of creating a free blog, what are the limitations of creating a free blog. So when we get to the platforms of free blogging, there are several platforms for you to get started here on blogging. So basically Blogger is a product by Google where they provide their product for people to explore. And similar to Blogger, there are several other blogging websites where you can create an account and start making contents into it. So how do we get started with Blogger? Blogger is a product of Google. So go to google.com, and in order to get started with Blogger, you should have a valid Gmail ID. And I clicked on more option and now I search for Blogger. So this is the dashboard of Blogger. You can create plenty of blogs based on the name you desire. So since this is a free blog, you get the names suffixed with blogspot. For example, if you are going to create a free blog, you will be getting a domain name something like www.yourname.blogspot.in, and this in will be changing based on the country which you reside in. So now I'm creating a new blog, so I have to give a title. So consider I'm going to blog on sports. My sports.boxplot.com. Okay, this is good. So you guys, you even get .com domain, so it is not necessary that it is just .in, so you can use .com. Oh, it's not available. So my happy sports. So always do make a good research about this domain in order to choose a domain. So I'll be helping you out how to choose a domain while we are going to create a WordPress based blogging website. There are several templates available for you. You can click on, you can select any one of the template and click on create blog. So now you got your blogging control panel ready, where you can see your status, like overall visitors who visit your website totally, and after writing blog post, if anyone has commented on a blog post, you can respond to all the comments over here. And if you connect your AdSense, Google AdSense is another program by Google where they display advertisements into your blog and where you can make some cash out of it. So AdSense is going to show the control panel for total earnings you have, how much cash you earned today. So it is going to give out the total statistical reports. And campaigns are basically for Google to on what basis you are going to create an ad. So you are going to write a blog and now you wanted people to look at your blogs. So what we have to do is we create some campaign. It may be it is going to be a paid campaign, obviously, like they tell this to be adverts. So adverts, it is going to be a paid campaign over here where we give some money to Google and optimize a few ads where there are many people who are going to read our blogs. So the pages are going to be all the pages which we are going to create. which is going to be live on the blog. Layout is basically how the blog is going to look. So overall the structure, like, okay, this is how the blog is going to look like. So first is some navigation bar, then a header named sports is given. Then if you want, you can add any gadgets. So gadgets are basically something like, okay, so there is some sidebar over here. I've added about me, archive. So if I wanted to add a gadget, I can add a timer over here, I can add a calendar over here. So this is how gadget works. So you can find many gadgets over here, basically, like Google Plus button, translator, list, your followers. So if you're going to, if so consider I wanted some featured post over here. So I clicked on featured post. So this is the name I wanted to give. So I just gave save. Please correct the errors for the form. Okay, please select a post. So what they tell is, once we have around a certain number of, maybe consider 10 to 15 posts, and we want to feature just 4 to 5 posts, so add all those 5 posts label over here and then click save, and that is going to be featured on the main page of your blog. So this is the overall layout of how your blog is going to look. And when you're going to make a preview, look at here, this is how a blog's URL is going to look like. So when you are going to make a post, so for making a post is very simple. So go to post, add new post. So this is going to open word like environment, where you give where you can have a title, where you can add beautiful images, videos, everything, like so this is going to be the title. So I'm going to type my first cricket. So I mentioned the title over here, and for the body, like I have like, it is always good for you to have good caption, good title, plenty of images. The readability, basically readability of the website has to be very good for the users to follow your blog, or else when the readability is not good, people are not going to read your blog, and obviously there is no use of you spending so much time writing your articles. So I hope you are clear with how to create a free blog. And now I would like to suggest, like what are the limitations while creating a free blog, and why should you have to go with the premium blog, as in like, you have your own domain, you have your own hosting, you're going to like maintain your own website, your traffic completely. So it is always recommended for all the bloggers to use a like premium blog. You have your own website, and you start writing, building a brand for yourself, like attaching your premium website with several other marketing tools. Where the free blogging, it is little difficult for you to do the marketing, like many marketing tools won't support. But however, if you have premium blogging, like there are several marketing tools which you can use to market your blogs in order to gain more visibility. So this is it for today's session. On next session, let us start and how to install, how to let us explore how a hosting works, and how can we install WordPress into the hosting, and several tools which are required for blogging. Thank you, bye bye, have a good day.